Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here on the Chao Phraya River, and we're right in front of one of the most famous temples here in the city. We're in front of Wat Arun. This is one of my favorite temples. It's one of the 10 first-class royal temples here in Bangkok. It's also one of the 9 sacred temples that people go to pray and make merit for prosperity around the New Year's. And so anyway, we're going to walk through here, and I'll tell you a little bit about what I know, and we'll just kind of enjoy this today. Wat Arun is what this is called, which means the Temple of the Dawn, and it is fantastic. Now they just came over here and they renovated this a couple years back. You used to be able to go all the way up to the top up there, but now you can't. We'll just be able to go around the pedestal. So we'll walk through all the little halls and kind of enjoy this. This is fantastic. And right here, the first things we'll look at, I think this is a little memorial for King Taksin. King Taksin moved the capital from Ayutthaya over to here after the Burmese destroyed the city. And this temple was on the grounds of the royal palace when it was in Thonburi. And King Rama I moved it over to the other side of the river for the royal palace. Yeah, King Taksin restored Wat Arun. They say he actually passed by it at dawn. And Wat Arun is named after the Hindu god Aruna, which means like the dawn. You see all these here. This is King Taksin. They call him King Taksin the Great. Now when Rama I took over the throne, he moved the capital onto the other side of the river to protect it from invasion from the Burmese. He saw it being on this side of the river as a weakness. Yeah, this is a pretty cool little hall. It looks like an Ayutthaya style Buddha here. Now Wat Arun, they say, was around since at least the reign of King Narai in the 1580 or so. They have this on some of the maps. So this was before whenever it was the Ayutthaya Kingdom. Bangkok was on the mouth of the river to protect, it was like a fort town over here. Yeah, actually one of the fortresses is right over there that's near where the Thonburi Palace was at. Now the prong was raised up to its current height under the reign of King Rama III. They think it's either like 66 meters, maybe between that and 88 meters. They wanted it to be around 70. There's been different people measured at different heights. Okay, let's go into the second little building here. One of the old royal beds. They have a monk in here so you can get your blessings and everything. Yeah, this is a really cool hall also. And you can see here has the various Buddhas and everything. Now Wat Arun housed the Emerald Buddha that's now over at Wat Makok. It was here before they moved it over to its current location. So this is must be the bed of King Rama II. You can see his picture there. Oh, they have a sign, Rama II. Yeah, really a beautiful little building. And you see the lady over here posing for pictures. It's really, really trendy for everybody to come and dress in the traditional Thai clothes and come over here and do the photo session. Also like graduation pictures and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go in here and check out the prong. So this is opened until 6:30. It's opened up at 8 in the morning. So those were the two little buildings we were just in. And we'll go up there. So you can walk around and check out all the styling, but you can't go up to the top platform anymore. So you see the Chinese figures right here. Those will be from Rama III. All of his temples that he restored or built has a lot of the Chinese influence. So it has 4 smaller little prongs around the central prong. And it has the staff of Shiva way up at the top. And you can see these little figures here that are kind of holding up the Chedi. Oh, it's really amazing. Yeah, so you can see they have all these little pieces of porcelain in here. It's just fantastic. Yeah, you used to be able to climb up that really steep staircase to go up to the upper platform. This is one of the first temples I ever came to in Thailand. And it was fantastic to be able to look out across the Chao Phraya River from up there. It was kind of surreal coming here from Colorado and seeing all the green and all the water and everything out here. It's one of the few times that you feel like a stranger in a strange land. Oh, this is Instagram Central here today. So you'll walk through a few photo shoots. Oh, so I really dig this. You got a couple more of the little Chinese figures and stuff right here. Yeah, so you used to be able to go up these stairs to right there, walk around that little platform, and you used to be able to climb that almost straight up a set of stairs to right there, and you can see those figures right there. It was way different up there. You can see they have the Erawan, the three-headed elephant, right there. It has like Vishnu, it looks like, on the Erawan's shoulders. Hard to tell from here. And then the backside, they have a little figure here. It's like the Bodhi tree or whatever, and it has the Naga behind the Buddha. Oh, you can see all the little figures that are around here. And then you can really see the little porcelain plates. A lot of the temples you'll see in Bangkok and around the area will have these little pieces of ceramic that are included in them. And the reason why is when the Chinese ships came, they would use that as ballast, and they could unload it here, and then they would load up with their goods that were being shipped off. So it was basically just extra stuff, and then they would put it into their temples. And you can see here, look over into the little courtyard, all the Instagram photo shoots that's going on, and that little prong over there with the images on the cardinal directions, and it has the staff of Shiva up on the top also. That's kind of cool right there. It has like a little zigzag, so it's pretty popular for people to pose like in lines and everything like that. And then there is more to the temple over here, and we'll go and we'll check out a couple of the Wihans here in a sec. And that's one of the other prongs that's here in the corner. Now I don't know how tall those are, but they're quite a bit shorter than the central prong. That's somewhere between 66 and 88 meters. And you can see more people over here, and then one of the other prongs. Oh, this is absolutely fantastic. And you see the little half-man monster guy there, and all those little plates. Okay, so let's go down and let's go over and let's look in this hall right over here now. So this is the professional shot right here. Stretch out that little thing and then take your picture right in front of the prong. And some more of the little figures and stuff. And this tells you how you need to dress when you come in here and all of that. So it looks like they're doing some renovations over there. And then we'll stick our heads in this really cool Wihan. So this is the Wihan, or it's like an assembly hall also. You see it has those tiles, and it has the normal styling around the doors. And then check out these columns in here. Oh, this is really cool. And you can see that it does need a little bit of restoration. Some of that wallpaper is coming off. But look at that image. So that looks like a Sukhothai image. They moved a lot of images from Ayutthaya and Sukhothai and other places over to here. And you can see this is where the monks do their ceremonies. And they have the smaller images and then the large one. And it's kind of cool with that lightning bolt style around it. That's kind of what you'd have seen in the Ayutthaya, in the temple murals. And then there's some murals around there. There's like the peacocks over there. And then a really cool red and gold teak ceiling up there. Okay, let's go look at the ordination hall now. So you can see the styling here. It was built during the Ayutthaya era, but it's been extensively remodeled since then. You can see more of it's going on over here. So let's go look at the ordination hall, and then we'll look at the giant statues, and that'll be the last things we look at here. Yeah, so they've restored this recently. Wow, this is really stunning. And you can see some bells and some of these little chetties and everything that are around here. Yeah, King Rama X has been paying for a lot of these restorations here at this temple. Yeah, more photo shoots here. It is pretty cool, and those chetties are all under renovation. Okay, so here we go. This is the ordination hall. It has a little cloister, all of that here. And you can see the murals here are quite faded, so they're going to come in here one of these days and restore it. And then they have all the Buddha images here, and then the figures, you know, the Chinese style from King Rama III. Now this is an ordination hall, so it'll have these Buddhist stones right here, and this is a royal temple, so there will be a double row of these because it's been consecrated twice. And it looks like they've restored this since I was here last also. And some more of the little figures and the little lilies. And you can see the double row of Buddhist stones. So we'll take our shoes off and we'll go inside of here. Yeah, they've done a nice job. This is really quite beautiful. Yeah, so you can see all the styling here above the door. Yeah, really, really nice. All right, so it looks like it's closed. We're not going to be able to look in there, but I'll stick the camera in the door. Yeah, so this is what it looks like inside here. So I see they're cleaning it up, getting ready for the monks' chanting ceremony. You can see the main Buddha up there. Oh, really, really nice. And you can see the murals and the black and the gold lacquer window shutters. It has the umbrella over the image. Yeah, really nice. Okay, let's go look at the giant statues now. Yeah, so it looks like they've restored this gate here. They need to do a little bit more work around. Oh, but it is fantastic. Yeah, so this is really, really nice. Okay, and some more of the photo taking places. All the flowers and everything. You can see the gate here, or the door. And some more up there, some of that little porcelain. And he's standing on like the little dragon. And this is the two giants, and they're guarding the entrance. So you normally would come in this way. We went around through that King Taksin shrine first, but that leads you right into the ordination hall. Yeah, really cool. That's pretty much the whole temple. That's the huge prong over there. And then it has like a little garden area, places for people to mill about out here by the river. Well, that'll finish up our video over here at Wat Arun, the Temple of the Dawn. This is fantastic. Like I said at the start, this is one of the first-class royal temples here in Bangkok. And what I'll probably do is I'll probably pin a comment to a video I made of all 31 of the royal temples all through Thailand. It shows you the different styling and everything like that. But it's also one of the 9 sacred temples, so people come over here and they pray, make merit at the start of the year for financial success and prosperity and all of that. So it's like a pilgrimage site for the Thais. It's also a huge popular place for tourists, foreign and domestic. The Thais come over here. As you can see, everybody's over here doing their Instagram photo shoots. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and then you get to see more stuff like this. And if you've been here, have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And until next time, from over here in Bangkok, remember, life is a journey. So until next time, enjoy.